Ayan, we have a new logo, bitches! Today, we're going to make this easy vegetable frittata with crunchy malunggay leaves and powerful blue turnip fried rice. Ang social, diba? Madami lang kasi talaga yung adjectives. Pero guys, mura lang naman yung mga ingredients nito at sobrang healthy pa. Let's start off with our blue turnip fried rice. But this time, we're going to use 𝘔𝘦𝘳𝘪𝘦𝘥 or leftover rice. Pero guys, you can add onions ha. Nakalimutan ko lang kasi talaga sa video. And then, nakatas ng ating butterfly pea flour. Katas talaga. Ayun, paghalatang may sa katas. Yung pinagbabaran ng mahiwagang bulaklak. Pero bitches, this butterfly pea flour has good amount of antioxidant and anti-aging properties. Kaya kung gusto mo bumata, makaiwas na malubhang sakit, girl, it's time to add this flour to your meal plans. And of course, with proper diet and exercise and sleep of at least 8 hours. Ayos yan. Next is our vegetable frittata. First, magbati ng itlog. Ayan, favorite nyo to guys. Ayan, di ba? Batiin nyo lang ng batihin. And our chopped onions, bell peppers. Ayan, may talaga pa sa kamay ko. Parsley, tomatoes, and our powerful and super nutritious malunggay leaves. I really love using malunggay leaves because it's really one of the most nutrient-dense leafy green in the planet. As in, bongga talaga yung vitamins and minerals niya. And it's cheap. You can get isang tali for only 10 pesos sa palengke or sa bakuran nyo kung may tanim kayo. Or kung makapal talaga yung mukha nyo sa kapitbahay nyo. Char. Ayan. I really like my egg omelette. Very savory and tasty. Kaya yung ibang herbs are really optional, guys. The secret in cooking this, kung bet nyo na talagang nakahulma siya, is cooking over low heat at takpan nyo lang. Then, paglipas ng mga 5 to 6 minutes, or makikita nyo naman yun kung luto na yung ibabaw. At the same time, di pa sunog yung ilalim. Try nyo to, promise. Perfect, di ba? And lastly, our malunggay crispies. This is really my favorite part in this video because this is my first time to do this recipe. And it turned out well. Sobrang sarap at crispy talaga. And the secret is really dried malunggay. Iniisip ko magbenta eh. I'll be posting a short video on how I do my malunggay. Sobrang helpful siya, especially increasing the shelf life. Plating! I hope guys this video could also help you in styling your own food for your vlogs and also for the foods you are selling. Ayan, igitna lang natin ng onte. I put some sliced avocados kasi season ngayon. And then some black sesame seeds. Parsley on my rice. Ayan, biglang nagbago yung ilaw. This is one of the main problems in video shooting with natural light. Kasi bigla-biglang nagbabago yung mga pangyayari. Pero pag sa photos, wala namang problema. Ayan, bumalik na yung kuryente. Naputulan lang pala, charan. And our blue turnip flour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have questions, just send me a message or follow for more. Bye!